Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, 21st day of March 2025. Immediately, Nnamdi Kanu arrived in court today. I don't really know what is wrong with the power-drunk DSS. Look at the way they molested and embarrassed TVC crew who were videoing Nnamdi Kanu. What is the reason of preventing them not to video Nnamdi Kanu? Take a look.
Happening? What is happening? I will do it. I will do it. Don't try to fight me. Don't try to see. What is it now? Allow them to show themselves. This way. Thank you.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. How are you doing?
Very well, thank you.
You have finally gotten a new judge to handle your case. How do you feel about that?
Great, I suppose. Yes.
So what are your expectations from today's proceedings?
Is that justice will be done, of course, in accordance with the rule of law. That's what I'm expecting.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
That's my daughter. Take advantage of my daughter.
How far? This is one turn my brain this morning.
You expected me.
Hello.
Anyway, as at the time of reporting this video, the trial has commenced. I will bring you the business they transacted in the court today in our subsequent video. Thank you for listening.